Good evening, students. So, question paper 2019, 12 marks, question number 12. So, answer is first we have to calculate the schedules to profit and loss account before preparing the profit and loss account in vertical format. And you know the format of vertical to prepare the profit and loss account. So, first we have to prepare the schedules in preparation to profit and loss account. So, schedule number 13, 14, 15, 16 are having the connection with profit and loss account. So schedule number 13, that is interest earned. The items are interest on loan 5,18,000, then interest on cash credit 4,46,000, interest on overdraft 3,08,000, and discount on bills 3,90,000. Four regular items to be appeared under schedule number 13, that is under interest earned. So from this amount, and total comes to 16,62,000 less rebate on bill discounted, that is given in the problem 98,000, and the schedule number 13 answer is 15,64,000. Next, schedule number 14, that is other income. So in this problem only one item is there, that is commission received, that will come under other income. So commission received is 16,800. Then sale of fixed assets, profit on revaluation of assets, that will come under other income. So in this problem only one item is there, that is commission received. Next, schedule number 15, interest expended or paid, that is interest on fixed deposit, it is paid 5,50,000, interest on SB, that is paid 1,36,000, interest on current account, that is paid 84,000, and one more is interest on recurring deposit, that is not there. So only three deposit. For deposit interest paid by the bank to customer, so it is interest expended, and the total is 7,70,000. Schedule number 16, it is operating expenses. So all expenditure comes under operating expenses, that is salaries 1,08,000, rent and taxes 36,000, director fees 6,000, auditor fees 2,400, postage and stamp 2,800, printing and stationery 5,800, sundry charges 3,400, and the total operating expenses 1,64,400. So this is a pre-preparation before preparing the profit and loss account. So next, provisions and contingencies. In that, bad debts written off item is there, that is 80,000, that should be considered. So next, preparation of profit and loss account for the year ending 31st/3/2018. So this is the format to be followed to prepare the profit and loss account in vertical form. So just we have to fill the amount of schedule number 13, 14, 15, 16 and provisions and contingencies. So first, schedule number 13, 15,64,000 as per the calculation in the previous step. Then other income 16,800, total 15,80,800. Then expenditure, interest expended 7,70,000, operating expenses 1,64,400, provisions and contingencies 80,000. So total expenditure 10,14,400. So profit and loss. So difference between 15,80,000 and 10,14,400, that is 5,66,400. Net profit or loss for the year. So here net profit comes because income is more than expenditure. And profit and loss brought forward, this is an adjustment item. Previous year profit or loss forwarded to next year, that is 2,40,000. And total profit is 8,06,400. The next fourth head, that is appropriation calculation, that is in that first one, transfer to statutory reserve. So it is compulsory to transfer 20% from profit to statutory reserve. If it is not mentioned also, we have to calculate because it is mandatory calculation. So first one, statutory reserve, 8,06,400 into 20%, it comes to 1,13,280. Next, transfer to other reserve, it is not given in the problem, nil. Proposed dividend, they have mentioned in the adjustment 40,000. And balance, that is classified as 8,06,400 minus 40,000 minus 1,13,280, and the balance remaining is 6,53,120. Next question paper 2020 12 marks, question number 7. Again, we have to prepare the schedules to profit and loss account, then preparation of profit and loss account. So schedule number 13, 14, 15, 16 and provisions and contingencies will come under profit and loss account. So first, schedules to profit and loss account. Same format. Schedule number 13, interest earned. So 4 items. Interest on loan 5,18,000. Interest on cash credit 4,46,000. Interest on overdraft 3,08,000. Discount on bills 3,90,000. And less rebate on bills discounted 98,000. So 15,64,000. I think same problem which is repeated in 2020. Some adjustments are not mentioned in the problem. So schedule number 14, other income, commission received 16,800. Next, schedule number 15, interest expended, again 3 amount, 5,50,000, 1,36,000, 84,000, total comes to 7,70,000. Next, schedule number 16, operating expenses. Here all the items are not there if you compare with the 2019 question paper. So only 5 items are there: salary, rent, director fees, auditor fees, postage and stamp. So total comes to 1,55,200. So provisions and contingencies are not given in the problem, that is nil. So format of profit and loss account for the year ending 31st/3/2019. So format, first schedule number 13, interest earned, that is 15,64,000, other income 16,800 and total comes to 15,80,800. Next, interest expended 7,70,000, operating expenses 1,55,200 and provisions and contingencies not there, nil. So total comes to 9,25,200. So net profit, difference between income and expenditure, that is 15,80,800 minus 9,25,200. Difference comes to 6,55,600. And brought forward profit or loss is not there, nil. So total comes to 6,55,600. Next, appropriation, transfer to statutory reserve, that is 6,55,600 into 20%, 1,31,120. Transfer to reserve is not there. Proposed dividend is not there. That means 6,55,600 minus 1,31,120. The balance in figure is 5,24,480. That is the balance carried over to balance sheet. So problem is important for 12 marks, which is very easy to score. Just you have to know the format of profit and loss account.